Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your Weebly template or your Weebly theme in this case. So let's get right into it. Now your theme or your template is pretty much what you choose and how your site is going to look like once you actually create it. If you select a theme while creating the site, it'll give you the theme with all the filled in content with their own placeholder content. However, if you change the theme, the content won't change. It'll stay on the content of the previous theme. However, the layout and everything else will change as well as the fonts. So let me just show you guys how you can do this. Now, from your builder, you just need to navigate into the theme. And as you can see, you can pick and choose a couple of different things. You can choose the background color if you wish. However, what you need to do to change the theme is just click here to change the theme, and then you need to select the theme from the list that you get over here. You can go to recently used and you can see all of the themes that you've used in the past. However, let's say for example I want to choose this one. You can click here to preview, or you can just click choose to choose it immediately, and after reloading the page it's gonna change it to the other theme. There we go. Now as you can see, the content of the previous theme or of the very first theme that I've used on this site has still stayed, so you're going to need to manually change that. But that's pretty much it. Other things that you can change are also fonts, so you can choose which font or which type of text you want to have, which type of font, and you can also navigate these theme options if you want to add social icons or collapse the navigation. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Once you change the theme, that's pretty much it. To change the actual items within your template, that's a bit of a different story. You're going to need to do that manually. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.